Hi, I'm Jamie Stoneham, the founder and director of Cooking for the Family. Back in 2002, I started as a freshman in DAP at the University of Cincinnati. I volunteered a lot during my 5 years at UC, both while in class and when I was on co-op. Now I'm excited to provide the next generation of Bearcats opportunity to really impact the community. So Cooking for the Family is a year-round culinary program in partnership with St. Francis Seraph Ministries and Over the Rhine. Cooking for the Family works in Greater Cincinnati community organizations to host cooking classes at sites all across the region. The goal of Cooking for the Family is to teach people how to cook healthy and affordable meals. Our participants come from all over and from all different walks of life. In fact, one of our classes had people from 7 different countries represented. And we also have our curriculum translated in Spanish if that's needed. So the classes are 5 weeks long and they teach 8 basic cooking skills. Our focus is on family cooking, whether that's yourself, your family, your grandkids, or your neighbor's kids. Each week we teach a meal that can feed a family of 4 for under $10. And then on the 5th week, participants can bring a guest or their kids and cook together using their newly learned skills. So on the completion of the program, graduates get a cooking kit with a cast iron skillet, a chef's knife, a knife sharpener, and a cutting board. We found that a number of our participants don't have basic cooking tools, so this kit helps them to get started. The UC Bicentennial Community Engagement Grant would help fund the purchase of these kits, the ingredients provided to participants, and our team of professional chef instructors. Cooking for the Family is looking for student volunteers who are both dependable, punctual, eager to learn, and not afraid to get their hands dirty, helping people learn to cook. Cooking experience isn't required, and in fact, you might actually learn something new.
We make it easy for you to volunteer with us because we have 6 classes a day that will work for anyone's schedule, and our volunteer registration system is connected directly to UC's online volunteer portal.
So if you're interested in meeting and working with people from different cultures and ages, this is going to be a great opportunity for you. After every class, we try to have a family-style meal where we get to know each other too. So if you're a hungry college student, you can get a tasty meal and maybe even make a friend. So Cooking for the Family is aimed at building generations of people who love to cook healthy and want to pass that down to their kids. The only way that people will cook for themselves at home is if they have confidence, knowledge, and actually enjoy what they're tasting. So volunteering for Cooking for the Family gives you an opportunity to make a difference in people's lives. You're not curing cancer, but you're helping to prevent diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and a whole host of other diet-related illnesses. As a volunteer, you get to help people make healthier meals in a way that's fun and engaging. So join me and the rest of my talented Cooking for the Family team. Hope to see you soon.